Okay, are you ready for another Halloween DIY? What I'm doing today, and I have to find which channel it was now. For the life of me, I don't remember her name, but I'm going to go through and try to find her so I can give her credit where credit is due. But she did, and again, I don't know her name, so she made a lamp from all Dollar Tree items. Well, I have an area upstairs, and let's put it this way. If I had been the first owner of this house, the electrical would have been a lot different. I just don't know what they were thinking. I mean, there are places where, to me, electrical outlets should be. I'm telling you that because I always wanted this light underneath this cupboard upstairs, and there's nothing. You can't put a light. So I thought, when I saw her video, I thought, man, that would be perfect to get one of, you know, to do what she's doing and put it in there. Well, when I went to Dollar Tree, and all this is Dollar Tree right here, they didn't have any of the white candles, and this is that plaster of Paris that they had, the white and the black. All they had was black. So I saw this there, which I had never seen. I always saw just the white ones. And I thought, you know what I'll do? Before I make it into the light I want it to be permanently, I'm going to do a Halloween light. So for now, I will keep these black, and then when I'm ready to do what I'm going to do, I'll do them cream, and I'm going to do it more of a farmhouse or shabby chic. I don't know yet. So what you need is one of these, and they have them in black and white. I don't know if they have other colors. Maybe they do and I just didn't pay attention. But anyway, one of these, a glass, and this is from Dollar Tree, and then 2 or 3, depending how many you're going to make or how tall you want it, candlesticks. And then I am going to add some different kinds of fun ribbon, I think, for this one, being that it's going to be Halloween. Now, the lighting part of it, I'm going to use these copper wire LED lights, are also from the Dollar Tree, and it takes 2 double, again from the Dollar Tree. I always get my batteries there. So this is going to be extremely fast. But what you're going to do, and I painted a little bit where you saw the white, but I'm not going to be real particular about it because they're not going to stay black anyway. So this is going to be pretty darn quick, guys. So here's your black, which is going to be the shade, and then your 2 candlesticks. What I'm going to do is I am going to measure my ribbon and put the batteries in here, and then I'll be back. Okay, so let me show you what I've done. I am not going to glue these together because I want to paint them after for my permanent light. But what I did is I put the batteries in to the little twinkle lights, and I put some black tulle inside to kind of muffle it a little bit, if you will, so you're not just seeing the copper wiring, although I really don't care about that. And then I put a little tulle on the outside of it and just tied it with some of that black and white string. And then to that, I'm going to just put this on top. Now, you could get whatever amount of these candlesticks if you want it really, really tall. The reason I got 2, for it to fit underneath my cupboard where it's going to go, I didn't want it any taller than that. So I'm just working with what I have. Then I took some tulle and just poked it through this basket. Okay, I'm going to move this over a little bit for a minute. And just pulled it through to where I wanted it. So it's acting as a veil, if you will, over this. And then what I think I'm going to do is just put this ribbon around the bottom because this can come off really easy because hot glue, it won't stick that great. So let's take and glue at the very tip. Let's get it started. And then I'm just going to glue a tiny, tiny bit randomly, just so it'll stick. So probably I'll go maybe 4 times with a tiny bit of glue. Maybe 5 times I think. And then back to where we started. Okay, so there is what I'm going to do as far as putting anything on the actual basket or shade, if you will, for this little lamp. And I want to see which side I want. Oh, I like that. Very Halloween. Can you see that? If not, I will show you. So get that where you want it to be and how you want it to look. And in this way, you're not gluing a whole lot because this isn't glued at all. And again, I always say if you want to keep it and you don't want it to be temporary, glue it. Glue everything. So now we need a black crow, I think. And now I'm undecided, and these I've had. And he has little wires under his feet. So I could just poke those in. Maybe I won't need to, I don't know yet. So I think I'm going to put him, because to add just a little bit of color, and that wire will work perfectly. And I'm just going to curl that wire from his feet underneath so he'll stay standing. So there is my Halloween lamp made out of Dollar Tree items. And even the, you know what, the bird is from the 99-cent store. And the tool from Hobby Lobby. Everything else is from Dollar Tree. Let me bring the camera down and show you in just 1 minute. Okay, so here it is, so I can get a little closer. And there is the tool that is pushed through those little holes. And down here, the tool that I put inside the light in the glass just muffles it enough to where you don't see it as easily, the copper wiring. And then adding the ribbon at the very bottom and this tool working as like a veil, I think really made a cute Halloween little lamp. And I just put this crow down there for now. But you will see, like with everything else that I make in these DIYs, how I go about decorating with this in my home decor for Halloween. So guys, until the next time, until the next DIY, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.